Croeso I Dysgu Cymraeg gyda Teulu. Misworth yma. Heddiw, dyn ni'n dysgu Darllen. Hi everyone, Misworth here. Today we are going to learn about reading. In this video, I will share hints and tips that will help you and your child when learning to read in Welsh. If you are in the foundation phase, or you are at progression step 1, 2, or 3, then this is the video for you. If you are not at that progression step or in that phase, please check out the other YouTube video that is more suitable for your level of reading. Today we're going to be looking at how we can use different techniques to learn to decode words and read words and understand books. As we read through the books, there will be questions that you can use to help your child understand the book, and there will also be ways to read and sound out words and try and guess what they mean. Let's get going.
So the first thing we will need to do is look at the cover together. And the first question you might ask might be, ble mae'r title? Where is the title? Dyma'r title. Here is the title. Then you might ask, beth ydy'r title? What is the title? Darllenwch gyda fi. Read with me. Y tywydd. Y tywydd. Beth ydy y tywydd? I wonder what a tywydd means. Edrych ar y llun. Look at the picture. Does the picture give you a clue to what a tywydd might mean? It could mean raining. It could be clothes. It could be the weather. Trewch y llyfr and let's find out. Trewch y llyfr, turn the book. Edrych ar y llawr. Let's look at the back cover. Darllenwch gyda fi. Read with me. Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? How is the weather today? Were we right? Did we say that a tywydd was the weather? Darllenwch y stori I gael gwybod. Read the story and find out. When you're looking at the back cover, or sometimes the inside cover or the front cover, you will find the name of the author. And the question we ask for the name of the author is, pwy ydy'r awdur? Who is the author? Children can respond to this in two ways. They can say Miss Worth or Miss Worth ydy'r awdur. Miss Worth is the author. Agorwch eich llyfr. Open the book. Edrychwch ar y tudalen 1. Look at page 1. Braf. What do you think that is? Niwl. What weather do you think that is? Haul. Gwynt. Cwmwl. Aira. Storm a glaw. The pictures here give you a good clue of what the weather is. If you're not sure what the words mean, just like any other book, you can look in the glossary. Trewch y tudalen. Find the glossary. In the glossary you will see haul is sun. Braf is fine. Glaw, rain. Niwl, fog. Storm, storm. Gwynt, wind. Cwmwl, cloud. Aira, snow. As you read through the story, you will notice that some of the words change slightly, from sun to sunny, and from rain to raining. See if you can spot them as we read on together. Trewch at y Darllen, Darllen 2. Turn the page, page 2. What I would do first on a page like this is pick out with the children the main phrase that will be repeated throughout the book. And the main phrase that is repeated throughout this book is my hun. My hun. This might be a good time to look through the book and see if you can find my hun on each page. The picture can help give you a clue as to what the weather is. Drychwch ar y llun. Yn y llun, mae haul. Look at the picture. In the picture, there's sun. Darllenwch gyda fi. Mae hi'n haelog ac mae hi'n boeth. Haelog, haul. It is sunny. You can use the clues in the picture to help you find out the word. Boeth, however, might be a bit trickier, so you might want to check that one in the glossary. It is sunny and it is hot. Trewch at y Darllen, Darllen 3. When you turn to a new page, you could ask the children, is there a word you don't recognise on this page? And they would most probably point to braf. We've read my hun, we've pointed to it, now we're pointing to braf. When they point to the word braf, tell them to use their alphabet sounds to sound out the word. Let's sound it out together. B, r, a, th. Braf. Braf. Mae hi'n braf. Just like you would use the phonics in English, you can use the letter sounds in Welsh to help you decode words. Trewch at y Darllen, Darllen 4. Let's try that again. Point to my hun. That's the familiar language pattern. Now look at the next two words. The children might recognise glaw from the introduction where it said rain. What's this word here? Let's sound it out together. B, u, r, u. B, u, r, u. Bwrw. Let's read the sentence. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. It is raining. Trewch at y Darllen. Turn the page to Darllen 5, page 5. And you would continue to read the book in this way, sounding out the unfamiliar words and using the pictures, the glossary, and your knowledge of the letter sounds to work out what the words are and what the words mean. When you finish the story, you might want to ask, wyt ti'n hoffi y stori? Did you like the story? And the children can answer in English because they will show that they understood the question and they will be able to tell you if they like the story and why they like the story.
I hope you enjoyed those books that we read together today, and I hope you have learnt lots of new hints and tips for reading in Welsh. Unfortunately, this is the last in our Dysgu Cymraeg gyda'r Teulu series for now. There may be one special video coming up before we close down our Welsh at Home classrooms. From now on, your Welsh lessons and any Welsh videos will be posted in your own class's Google Classroom. I've really enjoyed setting up these Welsh classrooms and doing these videos to help you and your family learn how to speak Welsh together. Hwyl fawr bawb.